Good evening from InvestSharp.com. This is Randy Smotone with your weekly watch list. So I'm going to start out with some triangles, some bull flags. Also in the bull flags, if they were just kind of consolidating, pretty tight range, I just threw those in there as well. Some near breakouts, resistance, and breakouts. Cup and handles, head and shoulders bottoms, channel down, few different ideas, and then I've also got a group of just strong stocks that have been holding up really well. I'll go over those last if I have time because I've got quite a few charts to cover. So first, I like this a triangle, like a pennant here in Stratasys, holding up really well, looks really good. Next, look at Leap Wireless. Actually already broke out right here, but again holding up really well. Definitely one to keep on your list. XCO looks like a little ascending triangle, a little tiny one, but looking pretty good here. And had this big gap up on earnings, and of course it's pulling back since then, but got a little tight consolidation going. Looks interesting. PDC, this little Pioneer drilling company, nice breakout, still looks really strong. Got a little further here. It's going to have some overhead resistance here right at the 7, but definitely worth keeping an eye on. Prudential Financial. This one is triangle. I think I might have covered it last week. There's all this selling. They tried to sell it off Friday. They didn't really do too good of a job. Lots and lots of selling. So we'll see what happens when we, go into to Monday. What happens here? But I had nice volume on the earnings, but they were definitely beating up, trying to beat that one up. It just bulls seemed like they were winning there. Let's see. Let's go bull flags. Start out with some bull flag. J Crew. This one again looks like it's had a lot of volume coming in. It's got earnings coming up before too long. I'd like to see it break out up over here, but it looks like it's just in a little flag. Not seeing any selling here as far as the volume goes. AGM, this Federal Agricultural Mortgage Corp. Another one looks like it's just flagging. Had nice volume, big breakout here post earnings. Got some resistance here, but another one to watch. Whoops. GIB, huge volume on earnings, huge move breakout over the 1625, which should be some support. Nice flag. WXCO, another one already broke out, holding up well. Nice little flag. American Axle, been looking really good, holding up here, tight range. Remember to always go and go out and look at a weekly chart on these that I show you. Look at your moving averages. I'm not showing you the entire picture here because I'm going through them too fast. But these are just some ideas, and please do some of your own research and follow up on them, carry them through. All right, SanDisk, another one looking really good. Nice flag after breaking out of this triangle. Not seeing any selling on this one either as far as volume goes. Jeffries, another one flagging, looks good. Goldman Sachs looks good. WebSense, same here. Nice support around the, should have some nice support around that 2150 or so. AWI, Armstrong Worldwide. Anytime you've seen kind of this reddish brown color, that is a weekly line that I'm watching. So another flag. This is above the weekly. Nice breakout. Jazz, I think, again, another one I think we talked about next week. Looking really good. Tight little consolidation. Standard Pacific, SPF, another one flagging. Looking good. ARM still looks good. TCK looks good. Remember, we're still all in these flags and the ones that are in tight consolidations. ABM, SWI, FTO, GLNG, GEOI, FLIR, Foster Wheeler, WNR. Now we're going to that are actually they're right up against some resistance, or it could be a breakout. This is Terex, which has been real strong. Like this pattern. Let's see. Let's go a little further. Yep. So it's touch, it's touch, it's touch. And resistance still in this area, so I'd like to see it break out over that previous high. Should have a nice breakout. ENER has a little bit of resistance there from the downtrend line. Again, waiting for that one. It actually did try to break out Friday. This market wasn't strong enough for it to go higher, but it's looking pretty strong. Live Nation, this has been consolidating for quite some time now, so it should be a pretty nice breakout And it actually did have a breakout. If you, depending on where you put a trend line across here, it did have a breakout, but it's holding well. So I need to see it break out to the net, up against resistance here, break out higher again. HK, another one that's holding up really well. Still looks good. FXEN. This is remember, this is a weekly line. 5-year weekly, right up against some resistance to be it's already broke out here, which again on a weekly. Nice big breakout at resistance. I'm looking for it to break out though and move higher. It's looking real strong. SCR, another one on a weekly. Got a nice little rising wedge. It's on a weekly. This has been developing for quite some time. Had quite a move last week here from off the earnings. So again, at some resistance level or could break higher. Halliburton looks good. Whenever it takes out that over that high, you can jump on board that one again. SHOR, same way. Got resistance up there around 7, so I'd like to see it take out about 705. You can jump on board then. And these are a whole bunch of breakouts. So we had quite a few breakouts Friday. This market's still pretty resilient. There's really not that much damage done overall. I still think the market looks pretty good here. So you get resistance on this downtrend line. So this will be a nice breakout when it breaks higher here, but another one's holding up really well. Remember, these are all breakouts. IDT. Let me get this. Another one breaking out. Already has broken out, but it looks real good. NVIDIA. NXY. GGS, Global Geophysical Services. Nice breakout. It's actually holding right now on top of using that trend line as support. GME, MGRC, AVGO, YUII, CityTel, City Telecom, DCTH, ESE. I like this one on the weekly. If you take the look at the weekly, it has a nice breakout on the weekly. RDK, another one I really like on the weekly. That maroon line is the weekly, and it's hanging right on top of the support there of the weekly. VMware looks like it's really hanging tough. I'm not seeing any sell volume. It seems like it wants to go higher, and it tried to break higher Friday, but again, the market was not cooperating. So ACCL, again, I like the weekly. This is a weekly breakout here on the weekly chart. Real strong up against ran into the trend line resistance there, but looks like it wants to go higher. Of course, DDDR. I don't think that's supposed to be DDDR. Maybe it's DDDS. That's what it is. Dillard's. You ought to fix that on my printout. That's the one I wanted. GMPR, Juniper, MSCC, OKE, SMTC, Disney, SMRT, Steinmart. And here's some cup and handles. These have been, you've been watching these for a while. They just haven't gone anywhere yet, but they will. Just patience. Home Depot, PXD, another one. This one actually has broken out, but hasn't moved that high yet. Still looks good. This Fortune Brands. This is over a longer period of time. Got this, pattern here. Nice breakout last week. Flying higher. Looked good. Head and Shoulders bottoms. This Avid Technology is looking really good. Gold Corp. It's got a little head, shoulder. Pulling back now, so I'm not sure. Gold will eventually, I'm sure, catch a bid again. So will silver. KCI still looking good. It's still been watching this little head and shoulders bottom. It's been resting after this breakout for a while, and then channel down. But it looks like it's also about ready to break out. It's got a lot of volume coming back in, so watch for it to break out. Then I'll go over a few strong stocks, and then I'll show you the chart. FFIB, of course, been really strong. Amazon still real strong, still in within a reasonable area of the consolidation. Baidu seems like it's wanting to break out and go higher. Netflix same way. Ciena just flagging. Sohu, another one looking really good. Whiting Petroleum, AZO, Travel Zoo, NFG. All of these are really good. Then I won't go through the rest of them. I'll just show you the charts that I covered. And so there's a whole bunch more on that strong or they're holding up well list right there. So right there. So there you go. So that's kind of been what I'm watching. And there's some other stuff I'll be watching this week as well. But at least you have some stuff. And this, remember, this needs to be DDS right here. I need to go fix that. So, all right. So thanks for watching and hope we have a good trading week.